Hello and welcome to the Niels van Roij Design YouTube channel again. And today I'll discuss with you what the possibilities and the breadth of coach building at Niels van Roij Design could be. One of the questions we get asked is, do you actually work on all types of cars, or is it limited to, for instance, only new cars? Well, the answer is we basically can work on all types of motor vehicles available. So think of a brand new car indeed, but also young timers, cars perhaps 15 or 20 years old, and then classical and historical motor vehicles. All these cars are basically a great base for coach building by Niels van Roij Design. And then some of the typologies we could work on are the SUV. Think of our Adventum Coupe design, a 3-door conversion based on a lovely SUV. But we can design coupes, sedans, convertible, luxury vehicles, grand tourists, hypercars, you name it. And we've got a selection of sketches here, mainly focusing around Adventum Coupe and the Brad Van Homage, just to prove exactly that. And then the possible ideas for a coach built car are very wide and very deep too. Are you looking at a big body conversion? In this case, the conversion starts here at the end of the front fender, which is original, and goes all the way back up until there. So basically the majority of this body is redone, which then means it triggers questions on the interior of the car. Just two different ideas on how to design color and materials for the door panels, and you can see that it really makes a lasting impression if you do something atypical there. And that's the beauty of coach building. It is literally the same as designing your tailor-made suit. You decide the color and materials, you decide the fabrics or the leathers used, the alcantaras or perhaps silk, and you decide beautiful inserts, perhaps a family weapon, unique colors that mean something to you. Working on colors and materials is a very important part of designing a personal tailor-made car. The exterior body obviously is usually the starting point, but the interior, your personal sanctuary, is actually equally important. We can convert a coupe towards a shooting brake, or a convertible towards a coupe. We can master the art of changing SUVs. It is really up to you and your imagination of what it is that we can do and what we should do to make your tailor-made motor car uniquely yours. One of the examples is obviously the fully teak floor, not just in the boot, which you will see on a couple of different motor cars around, but even in the footwell of the passengers and the driver. Beautiful teak, entirely handmade. And in this case, some lovely details made for the Brad Van Homage. In this case, the tailor-made headlight and a fender detail, in this case on the side of the Brad Van Homage, a air intake, again bespoke and designed only for this particular motor car. The possibilities are quite literally endless, and it is really up to your imagination. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe and let us know in the comments what you think of coach building and car design for coach building. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!